Hi, my name is Chrissy. My major is administrative specialist. I will finish my associate's degree in the fall of this year. And then I also have a certificate in marketing that'll go with that. Currently, I have an internship going with Lifeways, which is a local nonprofit here in Caldwell. They also own the Crisis Center, another facility in Nampa and Ontario, and they have a hospital in Boise. They do a lot of really great jobs and community projects. They're in all the schools here in Caldwell, offering counseling. I plan on continuing my services with them and a job with them. And then with my technology skills, I hooked up my modem and my router so that way we have faster streaming services for our TVs and our devices in the house. For web design, I have no knowledge at all, so I'm excited to have this course to teach me a few things and make a website. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do for my website yet. I have different hobbies that I could do it on. We've thought about, doing a business. It would be kind of fun to do a business mock-up website. Let's see. After reading the syllabus and the schedule, I'm really just hoping to get the base of how to make a website. I get so frustrated with other websites when they're not user-friendly. I just had to deal with Sparklight, which is formerly Cable One, so we have our internet through. And that was so treacherous to try and navigate their website. They could definitely use improvements. And I'm hoping that this class will teach me that going forward with the website I'm going to make. And then reading the book, reading chapter 1 and 2, I really think they made good points on not making you think what buttons are going to do what things. It should be pretty straightforward. I like the example of jobs, employment, and then the catchphrase. That's just odd, but a lot of websites do that, and it's really hard to find. I was on unemployment for a year, so constantly going out and applying for jobs were confusing because of their websites. And then some of the other things in these chapters was I like how they addressed how the world is always changing because there's always a different market. There's always niche markets. I think, the coffee shops, especially like Dutch Bros, they hit their niche market. And then how it's always getting old. Technology is always aging out. Look at the iPhone. Look at any Android phone. They're always looking for the next best thing. And iPhone's up to 13. And long ago, it took years before they would come out with a new phone. Now it seems like there's a new phone before the year is up. So they're always just looking for money anyways. And then with the rest of this book, I think it's just going to be really intuitive, teaching us what the websites should aim for with the goals of building our own website. If you're selling a service or a product, it shouldn't be difficult of buying something because the point of having a business is to make money. So let's hope that this class can really just portray and make it easy, because I know in the past certain terminology from fields I don't understand go right over my head. So this class should be good to learn that language. Thanks.